Local news for Friday the 24th of August. Buses will be replacing some train services on the Wairarapa line this weekend as rail maintenance takes place. Information on where to catch those buses is on the Metlink website. Finalists have been revealed for the inaugural Wairarapa Business Awards. 17 finalists across 4 categories have been chosen, with the supreme winner to be announced on the awards night, being the 4th of October at Copthorne Solway Park. Trust House Recreation Centre lifeguard Victor Thompson has won the NZRA 2018 Lifeguard of the Year Award. The 2018 Aquatics Awards were held last Wednesday in Rotorua. And congratulations to the cast of King John, break a leg as they head off to the Lower North Island Regional Finals for 30fest tonight. And in sport, Wairarapa Bush will open their Heartland season away tomorrow in Gisborne to Poverty Bay. The experienced James Goodger will caption a strong side that will go in as equal favourites despite the away game.